Menteri Rangba Sarkar Jela Kondrat Kongkal Sangma henne kesengi balang kata hak arpo honru tarik urisau arjar arpar ulalej ban jurip ya cancer wing jong Shillong Civil Hospital ban pe ya jinglong jong man hak ne Jaka ai jing Sumar kabla kemi lenti ban pli pai ba no hau benai no pra kate ke jingle jurip jong Menteri Rangba kalong ban pe ya jing pentrei ya ki kam hak cancer wing namar hak kapor bawan sapriang kapang COVID-19 laporan kam ya kene ke Jaka ai jing Sumar kum ka COVID Care Center kum ta kalong kebaran kam ban penkela ban bahaya ki katok ane ki benta jong kene ke Jaka ai jing Sumar Menteri Rangba ulapan pauru bau dap dak jing sokmen bani i ke jing pentrei ke kam kalaya chat bala kemi lenti bahaga tayo banengkong jong banai nopra on pendep i jing trei baper ki badai hak alain civil badla kemi lenti ru ba on pentrei kampura no ia kene ke Jaka ai jing Sumar hau nopra mentau snem
to see the work going on in the cancer wing. So, as you're aware that during the COVID time, this was also used as a COVID center. And certain things had to be changed and overall improvement had to be made. So I'm happy to see that a lot of progress has been made. And we are hopeful that by the end of the month or by the first week of December, the entire civil work that is required to make this functional will be complete. Of course, the new equipments will take some more time to come because it's being done through a different process. But in the meantime, at least the facilities, other facilities, the different wards for female and male wards and the daycare wards, they will be ready, and hence it will be ready to be used while we can still continue using the machines that were there earlier till the new machines come. So we're happy to see that it's progressing fast, and we should be able to make it fully 100% functional by the first week or second week of December.